If you want to edit apps in the sidebar or Side Toolbox on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all you need to open the sidebar and then you need to scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you will find this plus button that you can press in order to manage apps that will be visible at the top. You can add up to 10 apps on this list. However, of course, there are more than 10 apps displayed in the sidebar, and unfortunately, you cannot really decide what you can do with other apps other than your chosen 10 apps. They are recommendations or suggestions made by the device. However, if you still wish to see some apps at the top, then of course you can choose whatever you wish to have. So let's say we're gonna add different apps so that we have a pretty quicker access to them. And of course, if you want to remove something, then you can simply tap on the app over here on the list. And once you are done, press done in the top right corner. Now, if you open the sidebar, first, of course, you will see all apps that you have added by yourself. But other than that, below these 10 apps, you will find the suggestions as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!